Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the another new video. Today we are going to learn few topics in Java programming. As we already completed a lot of unit topics in the first unit. Today's topic is strings. Hi, I hope everybody is doing great. I am Ashwin Narikmali. Welcome back to my new video. I'm an assistant professor in Christu Jayanti University. Today we are going to learn few important concepts in Java programming. So don't waste the time. Let's dive into the video. Let me share the screen first. As usual, strings, the background, corner, smaller, share. The video sharing started. Okay, once again, a small intro. As you all know, I'm Yashwant Narikmali. I'm an assistant professor in Christu Jayanti University. I'm working under the Department of Computer Science. Today, I'm going to teach you Java programming, first unit, introduction to the Java, and the features of Java. In the features of the Java, the strings is one of the feature in Java programming. Today, we are going to discuss about the strings topic. What are the different topics that we are going to learn today? The outline of this PPT or today's topics are what is a string, how to create a string object, some important operations of a strings, some important string class methods. These are the four major topics that we are going to cover in this video. That's enough. We are not able to cover all the 7 topics. These 4 topics are the major topics that we are going to cover today itself. In the next video, we are going to complete the remaining 3 topics for sure. Okay, shall we start? Okay, we'll start. Next. See, very easy. What is a string? String, which is widely used in the Java programming. It is a sequence of characters. Strings is nothing but a sequence of characters. We have a character. Character is a data type which stores a single character, either A, B, C, only single character. String is one of the data type that stores a group of characters. In Java programming, strings are treated as objects. In Java programming, the JDK provides a string class to create and manipulate the strings. Let's see how to create a string object as well as string literal. The important notes about the string is just basic things. We can call it as a primitive data type or an object. Both are fine. String object or a primitive data type could be considered as a primitive data type in Java, but in fact they are not. A string is actually made up of an array or characters. Array of characters, nothing but array consists of a collection of similar elements. Collection of different characters is a string. String objects are immutable. That means once the string object is created, can't be altered. For mutable string, you can use string buffer and string build. Basically, string objects are immutable. An object whose state cannot be changed after it is created is known as immutable object. String, integer, byte, short, float, double, all other wrapper classes objects are immutable. What about the classes that we are using in the Java programming? Majority of them are immutable. So, how to create a string object? The string object can be created in 2 ways. The one thing is a string literal, using a string word as a data type. String s is equal to welcome. We are assigning a variable s, that is a string data type, variable s, and in that we are storing welcome is group of characters into the single variable which is having a data type of string. Now, the another way to declare a string is using a new keyword as an object. As I said, two ways. One is a literal using a data type, another one is a new keyword by means of creating a new object. String is a class. Here the string is a class, there string is a literal data type. String s is equal to new string. As usual, before creating an object, you know the syntax of the object. We have to use a class name, then a object name, which object that you are going to declare, the object name, and then equals a new keyword. After that, class, inside the class, whatever the string that you are on to assign that particular object. See, string s is an object is equal to new string. Inside the parenthesis, I have written the welcome word. This is how we can declare a string object and a string literal. String can be declared by using two ways. One is object, one is a literal. Literal is nothing but a data type. Object is nothing but using a new keyword. That's it. These are the two ways to create the string. Next example for the string. Let's see what is this. Let's see and analyze this program. String example, public static void main. This is a common thing. Here we declared the using a string s1 using a string literal. And we have a character array. Char. This is an array which consists of a string strings. In string 2, here we have a s1 is a string 1 which is created using a literal data type. S2 and S3 are the two things we are created using a object. If we're trying to print this 3, S1 will print the Java, S2 will print character array strings. S3 will print as usual example. This is a simple example for the strings program. The important operations of the strings are string concatenation, string comparison, substring, length of string. String concatenation is nothing but adding two different words, merging and forming a single word. Let's say Mumbai. MUM is a single, divide a Mumbai into two different words. MUM, mum, BA, by. If you are merging these two, Mumbai. The string comparison. We can compare the two different strings, whether they both are same or not. Substring. We can divide a big string into the single substring. Let's consider a concatenation is a word. I want to substring as a nation. I want to cut the concatenation word and make it as a nation. We have to give the index number of n and last n. Then the substring will appear. The length of the string. The length of the string can be defined like using a method called length. If we are passing one string into that length method, it will define number of characters present in that particular string. String concatenation. The program, see, this is a concatenation two or more strings. These are the two ways, method or operator. Using a method concat or using a operator plus. See here the two strings s and the str hello world. And we have created two or more object str1 and str2. str1 s dot concat str. S is a hello and we are trying to concat str string also to the s. Hello world will be appeared. Next str2, the second string object, I'm trying to concat hello dot concat world. In str4 also we are doing the same way. Sorry for the disturbance. The output will be like same hello world, hello world, hello world. I hope you understand the concatenation. Let's dive into the comparison. Comparison can be done. String comparison can be done in three ways. One is the equals method. Another one is using an operator, double equals. And by a method, one more method is there, compare to. See, as usual, we declared a main method. Inside the main method, we declared four strings. One is a S string, S1, S2, S3. four strings. First S consists of a hell, S1 consists of hello, S2 consists of hello again, S3 is Java. Here I'm comparing, I'm just trying to print. I created S4 also, S4 is also Java. As I mentioned, three different ways to compare the strings. One method is equals method. Here S1 dot equals S2. Is this true? S1 and S2? No. Hello. True is false. But here is true because it will compare all the characters in the first string. Is there present in the second string or not? All the HELL is present in the hello also. HELL. So it's written true. If I'm comparing S dot A equals to S1, it is not true because it is not consist of all the characters that are present in the S using double equals operator. S1 is double equal to S2. It's true. S3 is double equal to S4. It's also it's false. Okay. Next, substring. To divide the substring, we have to use substring method. S dot substring, we have to mention which index of the variable word you want to cut into the another word. You have to give starting and the ending point. See here the S dot substring 0, comma 5. Where is the zeroth index? H is the zeroth index. Fifth one is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Empty space is the last index. The output will be hello. The length, finally, the length method. The length is used to define what a number of characters included with the spaces, how many are there in the string. Let's count. Hello is a 5-letter word. Space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 characters are there in the string S1. If I'm using S1 dot length with a parenthesis, the output is showing 12. That's how we came to end of this video. I hope you understand what is a string and how various important methods that we use in the string like concatenation, comparison, substring, as well as the length of the string. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And till now, this is the thing that we are going to learn. As of now, that's enough. That's enough for today. I hope we'll catch up later. And if you have any doubts, don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.